Hello, this is Satish Singhal. I'd like to show you how the control of transfer during a call to a method occurs in a Java program. Let's look at the two Java programs we have written, two classes we have written. Here's a class called client code. It has the main method. It declares a number num on line 6. Then we really wish to round this number using the standard rounding criteria. We call a method called myRound in class myMath, and we pass this number to it. This is the myMath class, which has a public static method myRound, which takes a double type argument. It adds 0.5 to it, casts that value back to int, it stores that value into value, and then returns that value. So we want to see that when this line 7 is executed, how the control jumps to the method myRound in myMath class. So in order to show you that, I right click and say debug as Java application. It will come up with this dialog, and you say yes. It opens this perspective. Here I have two step into step over, and right now this highlighted line is the one that's being executed. So I click on step over because it's just an assignment, and if I put my mouse here, it says that num has adopted a value of 70.43. Now here I'm making a method call, so step into takes me inside the method. So I click here. So notice in this expression here, first the right hand side has to be completed evaluation, because if you remember from operator precedence chart, the assignment operator equal sign has the lowest precedence, so nothing can be stored here in rounded until this entire right hand side is evaluated. That evaluation requires a call to myRound method of myMath class. So I click here on step into. So notice the control suddenly jumped to myMath class and the first line inside the myRound method of myMath class. And if I put my mouse here, you'll see the value of 70.43 that was passed from the client code has been copied into this variable data. Okay? So now this line, if I click on, now it doesn't matter step over or step into, I'll just click step over, and this evaluation has now been completed by the line 6, and the value is stored in value 70, because remember this was 70.43, 0.5 added to it is 70.93. When you cast into integer, 0.93 is thrown away, so you have the value of 70. Now the program is ready to return this value of 70 to the main method of the client code. So if I just go there, notice the program jumps to the same place. Before it jumped to the myMath class and the rounded method. And if I just keep going step over, you will see that rounded now has the same number 70 that was returned by the myRound method of the math class. And you'll see here in output window, once I go one more step, that this println line will be executed and will be stored here. And there you go, the rounded value of 70.4370. So here is the video that shows you how, when we call a method, there is an actual jump or a control of transfer to the method that is being called. That jump has the purpose of computing the right hand side of this method call, and then once the computation is over, the return value is stored into the variable on the left hand side. Thank you.